Today I want to talk with you about the power of affirmations and how they can improve your mindset by reciting them daily. Once I reached my 40s, something shifted. You may have experienced the same thing yourself. You start seeing life with more clarity, what matters, what doesn't, and what you're not willing to tolerate anymore. But even with all that wisdom, your inner voice can still be the biggest barrier to talking yourself out of lifestyle habits that actually serve you. We can rationalize this by thinking, it doesn't matter anymore, life is busy, life is hard, I'm too distracted. Fortunately, there are ways to stay the course on your path of personal development at any age. In fact, it doesn't matter what age you're at. Everyone can benefit with more confidence. I found affirmations to be reliable and they couldn't be easier to practice. These are short, powerful phrases that instill a sense of optimism and confidence. And I feel that as we age, 40s and 50s on up, affirmations matter even more now. They're not about pretending. They're about rewiring years of old patterns and choosing thoughts that support the life you're building now. They're mental training, they're mindset reps, and just like muscles, your thoughts get stronger with practice. So today I want to guide you through my favorite affirmations that are designed specifically for this chapter in life, a chapter of strength, renewal, and self-trust. They give you a way to gently retrain your inner dialogue and upgrade your mindset with wisdom that you've earned. So take a breath and let's begin. I'm going to put a few of my favorites here, but you can also go to my channel and grab a PDF with 30 inspirational quotes. I recite these first thing in the morning and then I repeat them throughout the day. It's important to do this consistently and not when the mood hits you. Emotions can be very unreliable. Now at first they might feel like empty words, but just keep repeating them. Over time, empty words turn into feelings as they take hold, and they turn into intention with feelings of motivation and self-empowerment. As you read them, let each line breathe. And remember, repetition is the key. A winner never quits, and a quitter never wins. Be the leader you would follow. If this can become cider, you can become anything you want to be. I'm creating the body that I enjoy living in. Forget the mistake. Remember the lesson. Imagine where you'll be in 30 days if you just start now. It's not over when you lose. It's over when you quit. It's time to acknowledge your greatness. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Today, I conquer all of my setbacks. If you want these affirmations to truly shift your mindset, consistency is key. Now here's a simple practice. Choose 1 to 3 affirmations each morning. Repeat them for 30 to 60 seconds. Just keep saying them over and over. Let them guide your choices throughout the day. And return to them whenever old patterns try to pull you back. Affirmations aren't about perfection, they're about direction, choosing where your mind goes next. If these affirmations spoke to you, give this video a like and come back to it whenever you need a reset. If you want more wellness tips, mindset support, and daily encouragement for life after 40, make sure you're subscribed to The Body Wish.